Qualcomm Technologies and IBM plan to run watsonx.govenance, Granite Guardian 8B and Granite 3.1, 8B models on Snapdragon 8 Elite reference designs and the Qualcomm Dragonwing AI On-Prem Appliance solution with the Qualcomm AI Inference Suite. Al, I'm not going to lie, it took me like 3 takes to get through all of those things. But here's the question that I've got for you. Is this product named soup going to end up being a big deal for IBM and for Qualcomm?
It's an interesting collection of announcements, and this came to us through our good friend Ron Westfall at the Futurum Group. He was at the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona where this follow-on announcement came. So it sits as a way of running non-cloud delivered generative AI models and using Qualcomm hardware rather than NVIDIA hardware to deliver those. So maybe this is going to allow us to have other kinds of accelerators delivering AI models on premises, particularly for those of us who struggle to be able to buy the NVIDIA Blackwell chips that are driving some of the largest cloud inference environments and AI environments. So I think there's some fairly significant things in here. Qualcomm and IBM aren't the names that come to front of mind when we talk about generative AI. But if we roll back to more conventional AI, Watson was pretty much our defining, here's a whole set of capabilities for AI before generative AI became the big thing. And there's some significance there. There's these 8 billion parameter models in their Graphite Guardian and Graphite. These are pretty significant, and being able to run those on a variety of different kinds of chips, particularly things that we can actually deploy on premises. Now, the reference solution, this Dragonwing appliance and the AI Inference Suite that runs on top of it, reference implementations are really important. They're typically not what you end up deploying in the real world. We really want to get all the way through to reference architectures, fully building out an infrastructure for maybe running multiple racks rather than 2 or 3 systems. But we definitely want to have more options when it comes to these hardware accelerators that are going to make generative AI part of our core applications and to get some of that return from building all of these huge AI models. So yeah, I think this is a fairly significant deal. It depends a little bit how the implementation rolls out. So what we really want to see is some customers actually using this, some customers deploying real applications and getting business value out of using different types of accelerator that are more accessible.